Hello, this is Willed and Well Armed. I just went to the Silver Dollar Pawn Shop and I got a surprise today. Yep, Wilson Combat. So let's take a look in the bag and see what it is. It is the EDC X9. Nice little daddy. Came with 5 magazines. And all clear. Look inside, nothing down in there, nothing in the chamber. It's got a beautiful trigger. Well, no trigger guard. I mean, no grip safety. Safety is very positive, very loud, audible. So that is the take-up, just right there, and it's just a hard wall. And look at the reset. So that's the trigger. Reset. That's nice. Anyway, we'll take it to the range tomorrow and see how she shoots. But pretty happy. So we got that. 5 magazines. One of them is the one is the 18-round magazine, which is not for this. 2 more identical extended magazines, and then it's got one more short concealed, deep concealed. This is, I think, is a 10-rounder. And then it did come with a holster, a leather holster from Palmetto Leatherworks, EDC X9S. So definitely fits nice. But not for me, not for a guy in a wheelchair. But anyway, got that. It came with a really nice holster that doesn't fit it. So let's see if I can trade that to somebody or something. Looks like it's I'm guessing elephant skin, shark skin, I'm not sure. But anyway, we'll go shoot this and see how it does. And if you got any questions, let me know, and we'll talk to you later. This is Willed and Well Armed, and be prepared.